Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and since we're still in our spooky season, we decided to draw Miguel from Coco. It's going to be an easy step-by-step drawing, so come join us. Alright everyone, let's get started with drawing Miguel from Coco. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a big circle for his head. So let's do that first. So there we have his head, and as I drew the head, I turned the paper just because it makes it easier, at least for me. We left a little bit space on the side, a lot of space on top, and the same amount of space on the bottom. From here, we could draw the details of his face. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the outline from his eye, and it's like makeup, black makeup and then his eye. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna leave some space at the top and draw a horizontal line. This horizontal line goes down a little bit, left a little bit of space on the side, and what we're going to do is we're going to copy the same design on the left, leaving a little bit of space in the middle as well. So same thing, horizontal line goes down just a little bit, and then what we're going to do is we're going to draw a big loop connecting the 2 points. There we go, and with this loop, what I did was this side on the right drops down just a little bit more than the left side. We're going to copy the same design on the left, and the left side would drop a little bit more than the right. These are just little details. From here, what we could do is we could draw his eyeballs in the inside. So what we're gonna do is, right on the right eye, more towards the left, we're just gonna draw a circle that takes up most of his eye. So there we have the circle, and we're gonna copy the same design on the left. This eye is gonna be closer towards the inside, just like this one. There we go. And then the details inside, his pupils or his eyeballs, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw another circle in the inside that's closer to one side one more time. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch to a skinnier marker just because it's a little detail. And we're gonna do one more circle inside. We're gonna do one more circle just as skinny, and then from here, pointing towards the top to the left, we're gonna do a half circle, just like that. Those are his eyes, and we're gonna copy the same design on the left side.
That's nice.
There we go, that half circle also points to the left. From here, what we could do is we could draw his nose. So right in between his eyes, what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna make a little point first, and we're gonna make 2 diagonal lines like a triangle. Then from here, right in between, I'll make a little point, I'll come down. I'm also gonna make a separation like a triangle, just a little one. And from here, I'm gonna make 2 loops to connect to this side. Just like that, same thing on the left side. Just like that. There we have his nose, and then from here we could draw his mouth. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw one horizontal line that's like right in between his eye. So right in between his eye, a little bit more to the side, I'm gonna draw a point, same thing here, and I'm gonna draw one horizontal line. I'm gonna turn the paper to make it easier, just like that. Then we're gonna make one big scoop or one big loop like a smiley face. Just like that. Look at his big smile. And then from here, what we could do is we could draw the outline of his lips. So I'm gonna keep switching markers for little details, like skinny details. And we're gonna outline his mouth again, really skinny inside the mouth is his lips. So inside we could draw his teeth. So what we're gonna do is at the bottom, we're just gonna draw one horizontal line across, connecting his 2 lips. Those are his bottom teeth, and then for his top teeth, they're gonna look like the letter U. So right in the middle of his face and everything, I'm gonna come down, make a little point, and from here I'm gonna make a U. I'm not gonna reach the top of his lips, but get very close, and then I'm gonna make another U and connect it to the top for his teeth. And I'll copy the same design on the left side. And there we have his teeth. From here, what we could do is we could do his hair, and they're like little bangs. So what we're gonna do is they're just like a whole bunch of zigzags, and I'm gonna do it starting right here with a curve and connect it to the side of his head. And that I just kind of freestyled. I made him longer, shorter, doesn't really matter. I'm gonna leave some space here, and then I'm gonna do the same thing going to the left.
Beautiful.
There we have his hair, and that's Miguel's face. So from here, we're gonna draw his neck. So coming from right in between his eyes, I'm gonna come down, make one short vertical line, leave some space, and then I'll do one more for the other side of his neck. Okay, so there we have his neck. And then what we could do is we could do the inside of his sweater. So from this point of his neck, we're just gonna connect it right to the side of his face with a curve, just like that. Then we'll do the same thing on the left side. And there we have the inside of his sweater. We could do where the sweater reaches his neck, so right in between everything again. We could make a little point that's lower than his sweater, and then we could draw two diagonal lines that look like the letter V, just like that. There we have his sweater. Then from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the outside, his hood, and we're gonna copy the same head shape as his head. So there we have his sweater, the hood of his sweater, right? I just stopped it somewhere on this diagonal line, almost where it reaches the bottom. That's pretty much what we could do. We're gonna do a little bit of his shoulders, and right almost where his eye ends or almost where his face ends, I'm just gonna make a curved line that goes down to the paper for his shoulders. I'll do the same thing on the left side. There we have his shoulders, and one more little detail I wanted to make. We're gonna copy this little V and make strings. So I'm gonna copy this little V again. Just some more details to his sweater. And then for the strings of his sweater, I'm just gonna make two vertical lines. I left some space in between the vertical lines, and then to connect the vertical lines, we're just gonna make one circle. Just like that, copy the same design on the left. And then, guys, I lied. The last details are like his makeup. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna do the cuts through his lip, or the little lines through his lip, and right in between his nose, I'm gonna make a point that looks like a triangle. And I'll do two more on the sides. These curved in just a little bit. Then we're gonna do the same thing at the bottoms, copying or mirroring the top. So I'm gonna come down and make it at the same spot at the bottom.
Super.
There we go. Look how cool that looks. And then right under his eyes, he has little ovals or circles. So right in the middle, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw the first oval, just like this. I'll do the same thing on the left side, and then two more on each side around his eye. And there we have it, guys. There we have Miguel from Coco. Look how cool he looks. Now, guys, the fun part. Let's color him in. So grab whatever crayons, whatever markers, whatever color pencils you have, and let's color him. And there we have it, guys. There we have Miguel from Coco. I think it looks super awesome. I feel like his eyes pop out. So with those layers I did brown, black, and then white. And then I left his skin white because he paints his skin white in the movie to look like one of the skeletons. So hopefully you guys found it fun. Hopefully you guys found it easy. It's very on brand for Halloween, which we're super excited for. So I want you guys to please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel, and also stay tuned for more cool characters. Thank you. Bye.